Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at all three of my new cars and what I think about them. This one is the first one that we did, and it's not exactly the best out of our little trio here, but it does drive really well. It's a little bit slippery, and it really likes to go and take advantage of its light speed or lightweight, and overall super nimble. But I will say that because there's more weight on the back end here, or maybe it's just not the weight but something else, it took the jumps really bad and started like tipping like this and hitting the ground like that, which is not desirable. So when you're going on jumps with this one, you should try to take the jump pretty slow overall. This one's in my RC club. We definitely did the best with this one. It's really good. Like it's really well built and solid. Look at this. It's really well built, high quality plastic. There's the little guys in there. My first real detailed truck that I've had. But this one is really good on the jumps, like for its size, which is pretty helpful. Definitely punchy and handles really well. Next here is the big guy. This one is really high above the ground. As you can see, it's definitely a desert racer. And it's pretty detailed. We did have to put these Velcro things on there for tracking for racing, but overall it's bad because it doesn't like clip off the body. You need to take it out with screws, so it's definitely not the body of that one. And it has really bright headlights here, and the rear lights on the back. And with the controller, I don't think that the power works well. And you'll see the headlights. And also all of these have a gyro. Like, look how bright those headlights are. And those. And you just press that button right there, and it's good to go. But overall, out of the ones that I would recommend, well, first off, this one did by far the best on the jumps because it's really high off the ground and great shock absorption. But overall, the ones that I would recommend, this one's definitely still a good car, but just doesn't handle as nicely and isn't as good on the jumps as the other ones. Both of these little ones are low priced and are just definitely good starter cars. This one is definitely the best, but it is pretty expensive. This one was $209. This one was $230, and this one was $550, which is pretty expensive, but it is worth it. But if you're gonna go with any of the cars and you want a low price one, this one is definitely the best compared to the other one. But overall, not saying that that's a bad car, but it's just definitely more worth your time with this one. But I am really grateful for all my cars, and they're all really good, and can't wait to drive them more. And I do have more a new content that I'm going to be trying, and well, bye bye.